All right, guys, today we're going to start talking about horizontal, vertical lines, and intercepts. So first thing I'm asking you to do is just kind of plot these points. So we have the point -3, 4, which is right here, -2, 4, which is here, -1, 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, and 2, 4. I'm asking you to connect the points. And I want to know what kind of line did we wind up with? Well, we wound up with a horizontal line. And I want to know, what do you notice about all these y coordinates right here at the end? And you should notice that they are all the same. Okay, so horizontal lines are in the form of y equals b, where there is some number, where b is some number. The point where the graph crosses the y-axis is called the y-intercept. So if I want to graph this graph here, so y equals -3, it gives me as a horizontal line passing through where y is equal to -3, and the y-intercept is going to be the point 0, -3. If you graph this equation here, y is equal to 1, it's going to cross the y-axis where it's 1, and the y-intercept here is going to be 0, 1. And if I wanted to graph y is equal to -5, that would be a horizontal line right here with my arrows, and that would be the point 0, -5. The x-coordinate for both the y-intercepts, you will notice, is 0, and that's going to become really important here soon. So let's try another one here. Let's graph this. 2, -3 is here. 2, -2, 2, -1, and so on. So there are all the points. When I connect my dots, what I get this time is a vertical line. And what do you notice about all the x-coordinates? And you notice that they are all the same. And the reason for that is everywhere along this vertical line, x is equal to 2. All right, so if I wanted to graph the line x is equal to -4, I would draw myself a vertical line. Try to do a little bit neater than that one, where x is equal to -4. And the x-intercept, I need to change that, the x-intercept is going to be the point -4, 0. We need to change both of these to x-intercepts, and I will change that quickly. Here, if we had x is equal to 3, we would get this line here. X is equal to -1 gives us a vertical line right here. And the x-intercept is, what's going to be that point? It's going to be 3, 0. This is going to be -1, 0. And the y-coordinate for both x-intercepts is going to be 0. All right, so that's just kind of graphing with those. X and y intercepts, we're going to do a Desmos activity in class. You still have access to that, so please feel ahead that you can do that. To graph the linear equation in standard form using intercepts, first you need to find the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0 and solve for y. So that's what we were kind of looking at those intercepts earlier, how the other coordinate was always 0. Plot the two intercepts and then join the two lines. All right, so let's see what that looks like for real. So here's my equation. If I want to graph this using intercepts, I'm going to let x be 0 to find the y-intercept. This will cancel out, leaving me with 4y's equal to -12. And I find y to be -3. So my y-intercept's -3. Let y equals 0 to find the x-intercept. All right, so we have the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to -12. If I let y be 0, this piece will drop out. We get 3x is equal to -12. I was solving it there. So x winds up being -4. We plot that on the x-axis, and again, we just draw a line to connect the two. I'm going to do another example for you. Let's do green this time. So if we let x equal 0, so 2 times 0 minus y is equal to 4. This will cancel out. We get minus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to negative 4. And we plot our point. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y be 0. And this piece will drop, leaving us with 2x is equal to 4. We find x is equal to 2. Right there, positive 2. And then we connect the 2 points and remember arrows on each side. All right, guys, there are 4 examples for you to try. Answer key is in Schoology. Please check. As always, ask any questions if you have any. Thanks. Bye.